say me susu aka efi aneya me no kasei ekosi beye on the 12th of this month asembesi Kwahu. Between now and then on the 12th and sha Kwahu beye basbasa. It seems when Kwahu at the same time munya mahini mienu awodi hine. Kwahu no memete minim di America. Baya America kreni no from 2022 and Kwahu started say eseba. 2022 Samuba kaya muina mon check Kwahu enclave ni nyina say 2022 March and Kwahu started say say and I said that say ye careful. That time it was security from penny for money. When we say Kwahu asumani Nana do national security coordinator, go and ask him. I went to his office and I told him that chief, you got to sit up. No, sit there and I'm saying Kwahu is sitting on a time bomb. Oh, captain, yeah. Ghana pen obo security ni penny. I'm an human intelligence reporter. Or the Kahonji Asemno. Oh, captain. So okay. Maybe dear. Atimide, maybe Majuma. I've come to tell you. For Honorable Albert Kandapa Nebusano. Osuma yam yabechi mu yi ase. Ha? Kandapa na suma say metie yi ase. Osi yabechi me. Na me mechire galamse mu bebe yetu galamse. Ti Kandapa to krom hano ni bebe yetu galamse. Wabra Ghana asofo okura ko ekobọ mpa e galamse site. Kandapa so ni bebe galamse site wo. Me maka galamse ti Kandapa suma me yabechi me na metie yi ase. Ani yabechi me. Ono aya we. Yachi mi wie ya omre ye je fun your friend won in office. Me catch and say ofa. Kwahu is sitting on a time bomb. Ofa Kandapa na musa no. And Kandapa then was 2023. And 2024 yasachi mi biom. I told him. I told a lot of top security people in this country say Kwahu is sitting on a time bomb. Ade baby a aircon. Where I got to know, eye baby am kwatra say me kwoto aduane adi. Minim de enti am kopie ho. Me didi na me te say nkomo bi koso say otwene mutan ye be setting up na yeturu. This is what I heard. I'm not going to give you the details. And from 2022 March, Kwahu are free. Kwahu a very peaceful, lovely place. What to be point to the new from me fa na wato. Kwahu for omuni aba ne Mary. And tomorrow fasting Yesu. And the whole world, one pen and one fight Easter World Cup. They be one person musu oma fase Yesu Christo. Eti Mary nuanom ne womo. Oma kontani Joseph. Eti de bia no mo person oma Easter ya kono. Eti efi mra ye nyini wo krom ha besi afiwe 2024 ya meno 2025 right? Meno wo kasei yenti Kwahu Easter ho asemboni bia da what be da? Tell me so what be da? Obianti Kwahu ho asemboni da. MPP for kro ya akufado ka ho. Na nda mechirem. Ene shase. Ena pin no ma say Kwahu. Kwahu is sitting on a dangerous time bomb. I will not stop saying it. Security from Penifo Kroma, mo pa muntie, mo pa munjai, na je brain, mo bia me kan kire me say, "Hey, captain, no." I keep saying it. And I adhere hear me. Me nye security couple. Me need to me bia e oposi soldier force so ne NIB ne national security. Anka me nke me lead me ya foil sa de ni nyina. Me ka no nye didi agro. Enra na ju nyame nko a ankatibie kuro do boy. Mewa. Na me na mo ho, na me hwede yakoso. Ebinom se ohene no atibie no metu na enra na jo. No ma se hene foforo. Ono se wa be ma no. Won so bra so no nkrofo ho no wo twen won so a eba nyame sa na meka no nyame na sanka wiem kanwa kayenti asem papa meboa esikafo akese amowo enkraha nyina mo frikwawu eti mo tena o makwawu asai Dabio, mo tena ho. Mo ye hwa ha mo ina mo nim. Obia, wo bisa kwawu pani bia captain. Ade we de ye ina ye bonyo so nanso ye nam he koka. Wo nam he koka. Mane mo. Mimi una obia o. Me kan no kura na che o partie. O pa jai. Ye ka. Say tourist board say. Wo mo ntimi nkolonje pa grinding. Woman to be eti oma bom penifo amane ye say ye dent me meye because information you want to say krom honyo nti ye ma eti Easter na ade abeka homa Easter na ye international festival awo kwawu ne importam yina no paragliding no say no tourist board say woman to be nkolanche say beba so say mbaso no nya me masem me nipa nkwa ene hia me wo kwawu enipa nkwa no ene hia me e wo kwawu enye paragliding enye Easter no nipa nkwa ne hia Pentecost fo amoba ye Easter convention mo ye careful me ka kire mo wo kwa convention na so wo seke ya fashion bag mkwa so dem wo wote patana se na wo kotokuro da wo nchen me ka kire wo men twen mane nyansa edim unim afese say the Ghana Police Service aye wọ́n sì kọ́ him free na sign bond so mbe ma asomdwe aba say hodwa adenti and the Ghana Police Service say kọ́ him for sign bond mo fanto so say yes kọ́ him for enko sign bond said mbe ma asomdwe aba eye dangerous and da no the Republic versus the Assembly of Kwamwa Japan the second only kwawu man hene proper the Assembly of Kwamwa Boateng the third all of Abene and kwawu now all of Abene and kwawu motion on notice to sign a bond to keep the peace at Abene and its environs pursuant to section 22 of the Criminal and Other Offences Procedure Act 1960, Act 30. Motion on notice by the Republic applicant praying the Honorable Court for orders against the respondents and their followers, assigns, workmen, and then Momo can say T and those claiming through them to sign a bond. Those near where I him for to sign a bond to keep the peace at Abene. Abene no nya baby o e ho na kwawu ma hene ahemfiesi enti kwawu na ati e Abene woguru ho abedi Abene and its environs and any orders as the Honorable Court may deem fit. Court to be moved on the 9th day of April 2025 at Nkoko in the forenoon or so soon thereafter as the applicant may be heard. Kosoro. Dated at Nkoko second where ASP Lois Kuledu Bonti Esquire Chaso a post no a lawyer. The license number no dey asha amamo who say or a lawyer. Ko affidavit in support. I, Mr. Isaac Kojo Asante, a Deputy Commissioner of Police stationed at Mpraesu Kwawu, Eastern North Region Police Commander, make oath and say as follows. 1. That I am the deponent herein and have been authorized by the Inspector General of Police to dispose to these facts or say your friend or penny Isaac Kojo Asante, or your Deputy Commissioner of Police, DCOP, Ewan Price Kwahu Eastern North Regional Police Commander. Now, IGP, I'm an acquainted to me, say, on Kasa answer me. Number 2, that intelligence gathered indicate that the respondents, together with their supporters, are likely to engage in conduct that may lead to the breach of the peace at Abene and its environs during the Easter festivities. Or say, and clear posifuenya tetefun adwuma omaye ekire say enipa mienu da sebre akwamoa a otoso mienu kwawu mahene ene de ose otoso miensa no wo mu mienu no wo mu de ntokwa chenchenche edi begirem Easter wo mu no wo ma be de ekirefo ente ya hensam etuoto a eka waka free. 3, that incidents involving the respondents have shown tension regarding chieftaincy disputes, authority struggles, and leadership legitimacy, leading to unlawful processions, confrontations, and threats of violence. Emodo or say, and I'm sad here wenti ahensama eyi di tina soro wo hono ano odin chen said omunim obia pre agene de ene de to so so obia person chese me ene hoya me de obia person chese oye bema enam santi obia nkrofo sore a no wo fa krom obia ne we twe ena ofie nso no ebema basabasa aba ho ebra omo be di Easter obia ye bema. 4, that based on security assessment, the Easter festivities present a high risk we mo bia mfa mpa ebo nko ho we nye mpa ne ye de solve ye nyansa sempa boy ade na ka Pentecost any presby enko court e wa asase ho achimota school park ho na asori mienu se presby o se Roma Pentecost no mo gina court ye ho kroma o mebo ko Pentecost achimota center na ko bisa omuni na asori back omuni na wo gina court e park ho CCC ni Assemblies of God Echo Court what ready agopo Ghana from Penugro based on security assessment, the Easter festivities present a high risk period where conflict between the factions of the respondents could escalate into violence, riots, or other forms of public disorder. Or say, wamoye nhwehwemu say asrafo ene bambofo no ma hu say Easter na ye kwadi wo Kwahu no ewo anu odi eja betimi atom say bam ama Kwahu aye basa. Number 5, that the traditional authority dispute between the first and the second respondents have previously led to a near clashes, heightened security concerns, and threat to the public peace. Or this idea we ask Subina Suja, inani se hwi. Edi a how kase ebeto aposifo a also se sie ya me no kase etibie ahimfie no posifo na ebo ho ban Kwahu dwono no. Number 6, that the Easter festivities in Kwahu attracts large crowd of celebrants, foreigners and locals, and businesses, making it imperative for the police to take proactive measures to prevent any breach of the peace. Hear me, I'm sure you. Apostle say, said the dom bebrebe etimi ba Kwahu no. Any nsam na ekwoso no. Amane beye din ama won se wo metimi abo nipa ebeba ho no ho ban ene so mbema asomdwe ebeba mpotem ho ko sabe na metro ya wo sha police commander na no ebusa no ye kan sam che Ghana fo a na nkoda nketenkete atopa kakra uko bunti what is social media keka kwa asem kona Kwahu na nyam busuani no ntimi maye. 7. That further intelligence report received indicates that the respondents, together with their supporters, are likely. Further intelligence report received indicates that the respondents, together with their supporters, are likely to engage in conduct that may lead to a breach of the peace during the Easter festivities in Kwahu and particularly in Abede. Or say, intelligence reporter, woman yana so kyerɛ sɛ enipa mienu akrata ibo undino any wɔn supporters ɛkwan bia so Kwahu Easter we de ɔmɛko ntɔkwa asɛ Easter no titiri ɛwɔ Abene. Number 8, that it is in the interest of justice, public safety and law enforcement that the Honorable Court orders the respondents, their followers and assigns to enter into a bond of good behavior. Number 9, that in the circumstance, I humbly pray the court to order the respondents herein and their followers to enter a bond to be of good behavior at Kwahu, Abene, and its environs. Wherefore, I swear to this affidavit in support, where this CEO, the regional police commander, regional commander, and I swear, according to say, 2nd day of April 2025. But what's that? Ni nani? Baby, I say, oh, come here, asa. But I say, I think I'm one of many as a could you. You can't see, hey, Captain Smart, your commissioning, me, your commissioning. Yet, Tigana, hey, young kind of question, the bandana, Kwawuna, my enemy. Since when? Since when? And yeah, Kwamwa, Boatier, Japan, the warmth, the tooth, the thrift. Since when? Ye cannot crowd Ghana ha. And Gravasi, hey, man, me do the Ghana phone Kwahu chair, Bibia Uyo. Since when ye crowd more the warmth, the tooth, the thrift? It is a CIA. But for first page in the bra. Yeah, one person which says, Kwahu 2 paramount chiefs. Am I hearing you? Since when in the history of this country, where I Kwahu for history? If you are saying any that away. Say my page 780. Brafam kakra. It is number 1. Da Sibra Ekwamwe Japan the 2nd. Da Sibra Ekwamwe Boateng the 3rd. To say Kwahu mu ama hini mienu. Since when? It is say when the people Janama Easter no ewa Abede. Ye kan sama Easter say nipa betena se din na ya dwena de no ya pe ne pema sibere no ye nye o. Ase ntim fodwo. Ono me do nyame se me ye post commander kakwa na machina tum. I say you impeach him as a member of parliament. But me we na born no so. Etim fojo. We gu Kristo enimu ase. Keye be di Easter yi. Sofo pa. Ba o de ma me fa no nchen. Me nda wo da. Menam o man yinti menam. Bisa menenam sahwi me krasa me koma kasim so na me ni ho ye nenam sahwi ye nenam nzema ye nenam he ye nenam he enema yakobo anu aba no ebi o ho a me be ka age me ma eyi ye be bom ho ban wa ha me wi ane makoda enti Kwahu nyo adentina yet na krom mpanifo wo kro yim ni na ne say hey ya the MPP flags MPP paraphernalias MPP colours MPP posters ekwotetara ahimfie ho o man ni bi se menye enu nti yase betu akonwa so by force why na me fie what anta he so betu the MPP ana NDC poster beta ho efie no usika re disi MPP ni NDC emba Ghana ha no na bene eda ho dada wo na kwawfo ete o masomdwi mu dada MPP any NDC emba omemo ha no na kwawfo di o mu Easter dada MPP ni NDC emma Ghana ha no na kwawfo kwakwawu eba ekodidwa eba ekwayiye eba ekwa bene ekwa tibie kroni di nkwa bi o wa mere afifi ekwa basa problem bi ani ho eye den na anu ya na nse ye ya criticize problem yi e de ato ho sese ya me no ka sei kwafu ankasa eton ne ma wa boso kan ye di kan da wo said uko crash spare parts na de ba duty free bajomwa tax free mba so ekwa wuni utabuso kai waswa MPP te se kaya ene ye do ko wo ho jo so ho we they be nim se kwa for your business people omo pedwadie we are there womo ska wo pa didi wo pa jai kwa for your rich so we be ma na wo kwa wo ware kwa ni ba na wo ya kwadro oba na obeja ahu cause kwa for ma nya kwadro for ma they are not lazy kwa for ma gina womo na so se time so na womo say ye fa ye ho akọ party a wo ko party be obewu say ma afa womo ho pa agu ho 90% ye kwa for womo suro sika pe omu suro sikadie omu suro sikayie conform ye super special yenim wunim obi anim enti ye ina ye de kakraka o mu kura no obowura isi rigi hono ware ye ojo no ane de amugu ho mo bi edi o oye muroni mpa me kana se no oye broni what did I mention na say eti ye betra kro yim abehwe manage ntre ha bran ewia ya ka say hey police for the dimirika papa soldier for dimirika papa ye tena ho mana ye saa maybe de mekoso aka kire wo say ebesiu say ensiu na kade ye ya kire wo nipa sa wo bekwa hwe wo so yie ba se kamenku de a menko Easter won kwa ho hia me fi said ye me di bani ahu me hyase kan ye be bosome nie as a Ghana Police Service anyway e ba abatum me yese men ko ho na me firi ho na e ba dadaada minim di America men ka kwawu asem biom wa wo pe no ko wa wo pe no tena Ghana Police for National Security Chief of Staff John Dramani Mahama eni mpanifo amwo memu ha samo betra ma kwawu nso ayesa emo amasem ena kwawufo na nkasa nso me wo fa seconds nom kwasitwum me former CEO eni mpanifo a mufiri kwawu Brian Champon Brian the time me bo din bebrebe ni say wo de wadi aban mu tumi pen eti wo kasa wo do na si fam abetumi do na si fam samo betna ho na wa ma na ye troka saade a e masem men peso bi ade be bo bebrebe ba me ka kire mo say afi we Kwahu Easter no emunyo afi we Kwahu Easter no emunyo bawie